My name is Athena and I'm gonna be making some super yummy dumplings and this is my sister Astrid. She already is making some yummy dumplings, and so all we're gonna need is ground pork, which is from pig. And all we're gonna need for that is garlic, salt, cabbage, black pepper, sesame oil, and ginger. And to make it curried, we need some dumpling skin, a fork, water, and something to work it on. I'm gonna take a scoop of the ground pork. I think this is good. Yeah. And one more thing, make sure to subscribe. This channel is about cooking, making stuff, and doing stuff that's super duper fun. And here's examples that my mom made, which are super duper good. And now I'm gonna be making my own. Make sure to put on water and so first we're gonna be making these ones. And then now we're gonna use our fork to press down. Make sure you press down super hard, like a very hard stamp. This is my first time making these, but I have made this one before, a couple weekends ago. So now we're gonna push this. We're gonna use the back of our forks to push this inside. Alright, I think this is how you do it, but since this is my first time, I don't know how to do it. So I think this is how you do it. And now I'm gonna put this onto my tray. And now I'm gonna take another piece and just flatten it out. And now I'm gonna be making the other one. This one we're only gonna be needing 4, which is this one right here. Some beef again. Ground pork. It looks like beef, but it's ground pork. Beef is brown. Add some water. This time we're not going to close all the way. We're only going to be closing just a little bit at a time. And now you just push it down. And now we made our first 2 dumplings. And then now you can make the rest on your own. I totally forgot to tell you about these new dumplings that me and my mom made. She taught me how to make some. And we finished making all of these regular dumplings. And now we made 4 of these special ones. So I put them in the very middle. And we're gonna cook them with boiling hot water. And then just how many minutes? 5 minutes, and then boom, our dumplings ready. Our dumplings are already finished. It took a little longer because we had to do both, and these look amazing. So let's see how it tastes. I like it. Tastes good. We're gonna give this dumpling cooking thing a big thumbs up.